Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes and allow your body to begin to soften. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, deep breath in and gently release. Let your breathing return to a natural, easy rhythm. Bring your awareness to your body. Notice where you may be holding tension. Your shoulders, your jaw, or your chest. And just allow everything to soften. No effort, no force. Now imagine a gentle, warm light flowing down from above you. This is healing Reiki energy. Calm, peaceful, and deeply nurturing. This energy knows exactly where to go. You don't need to do anything. Just receive. And allow this light to flow into your head, soothing your thoughts, quietening your mind. Any anxious thoughts, any overthinking, begin to gently dissolve like clouds drifting away. Now the energy moves into your chest, your heart space. Releasing stress, fear, emotional heaviness. You are safe in this moment. You are supported. Feel this warm energy flowing through your entire body, down your arms, into your hands. Through your stomach, your hips, your legs. All the way down to your feet. Silently repeat after me. I am calm. I release anxiety. I am safe in my body. I allow myself to relax. Now, just rest here in this peaceful energy. Let the Reiki continue to flow effortlessly. When you're ready, begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. And when you feel ready, softly open your eyes. You can return to this practice anytime you need calm. You are supported, you are grounded, and you are at peace.